Okay guys, so welcome to today's video. Now here is a new game option available on the cex.io Power Tap. It is called the spin to earn. Whenever you spin, you earn. So quickly, let me show you how I got to this interface. This option was made available today. So as I saw it today, I decided to make this video for you guys and show you guys how you can earn more on this. So quickly, let me just go back to my home page. Now once you arrive at your home page, if you just look below your screen, you will just see at the bottom left where you see this rotating icon, it's a spin button. So if you tap on it, now this how this spin option work. Now for me, I have, you can see 6 free spin available. Now for you, if you check it, you might not have, because me, I have done the daily tax before this was made available for me. Now for you to always have the spin option for your cex.io Power Tap, there's always a daily tax which will be made available for you. So if you just tap on do daily tax, if you tap on it, there's always a daily tax for you to do. For me, I was just introduced to one of, what will I say, a sponsored advert they made for me to just go through another gaming platform for airdrop. So I just did it and I came back and I saw this spin was made available. Now quickly, for this spin, there are different things for us to earn here. Now if you look at it very well, on the rotating board, we have mystery box, free spin, we have the CEP power itself, we have the game coins, we have game crypto, we have boost, and we have USDT. We don't know if we'll be able to withdraw this USDT as cash, but as the game proceed, we are going to know. So if you tap on get more spin, now these are what you need to do to get more spin. Now you need to, if you want to get more spin, that is, you don't want to just go through other options, you can buy stars. If you want to buy 10 spin actually costs 250 stars. So if you want to buy the spin, you can just pay with 250 telegram stars. If you don't know how to buy telegram stars, let me know in the comment section so I could make a video on that. Now the next thing for you to do, if you want to earn another free spin, is for you to do this special tax. Now this special tax just give you 1 free spin. Now what's the special tax? You are just going to just go to their YouTube channel, watch whatever video you see there, then come back and claim it. Then you see 1 spin will be made available for you. Now the next option is for you to invite your friends. So basically, this is how you earn more spin on this new option that was made available for us. So guys, if you are seeing my channel for the very first time, please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Ask whatever question you have in the comment section. There is going to be a video that is going to pop up at the end of this video, which is a detailed video guide I made on how to play cex.io. I explain everything you need to know about cex.io, the eligibility criteria, the Q4, what the Q4 is all about, the listing and withdrawal, how to withdraw, and also how to sell it, how it's been when it is listed. So you can just navigate through my channel, just go to my playlist and check on cex.io airdrop, watch the full tutorial. It is going to still appear at the end of this video. So quickly now, let me now play the spin game. If I just tap on claim, now this is it. As I tap on claim, I'll be claiming my free spin. You see, I've currently claimed 6 free spin. Now you can see it, guys, and the next free spin I will get will be available in the next 3 hours 59 minutes. So that's making 50 what, that's making 4 hours. In within 4 hours intervals, I'll be able to claim spin. So quickly, if I want to spin now, I'll just tap on what, if I want to spin, I tap on spin. So let's see what will be given. So let me spin for the sake of this video so you guys can see how it works. So as I tap on spin, you can see what was given to me. You will get instantly on your game account 89. Okay, this is the cex.io coin, which is made of, it's at around that. This coin helps us to increase our levels and also make purchases of boosting our CEP power. So let me do another spin again before I end this video and continue doing the spin and see maybe I could earn a free USDT here. So guys, make sure what you like this video, you drop a comment for me and subscribe to this channel right now. So that's it basically. So you can see this one, I just claim a free crypto, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Ask whatever question you have in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you guys.